Attention, if want to know and fully understand the content, keep watching until the end of the video. It's very important to concentrate and pay attention to the details. So, let's start the journey in the fantastic world of prehistory. Life Evolution, Episode 10, Title, Jurassic Period. Jurassic Period Time Range. Jurassic Period, in geologic time, is the second period of the Mesozoic era. It began 201 million years ago from the close of the Triassic period and ended 145 million years ago when it was succeeded by the Cretaceous period. What is the Jurassic period? The Jurassic is a geological period which extends between 201 million to 145 million years ago. It is the second period of the Mesozoic era and lies between the Triassic and Cretaceous periods. The Jurassic period is divided in 3 epochs and 11 stages, starting from Hettangian stage and ending at Tithonian stage. Period discovery. The name Jurassic derives from Jura Mountains, where the rock layers were found. In year 1795, the German naturalist Alexander von Humboldt found some rock layers inside the Jura Mountains that do not belong to the Triassic period. In year 1799, he named it Jura Kalkstein, that means Jura limestone. In year 1829, the French naturalist Alexander Brongniart published a book. He used the phrase terrains Jurassics to represent Jura Kalkstein. After that, he coined and published the term Jurassic. The Jurassic period strata, Jurassic sedimentary rocks, can be found on all modern continents, and include marine, marginal marine, and terrestrial deposits. The Jurassic period Paleogeography. The Jurassic period is full of significant global geographic changes. The Pangaea supercontinent split apart, forming the Laurasia and the Gondwana continents. Laurasia would eventually become North America, Greenland, Europe, and Asia. Gondwana would split into 2 main parts, a western section, which would eventually become South America and Africa, and an eastern section, containing Australia, India, Madagascar, and Antarctica. The Central Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico started to show themselves. The Viking Corridor, the Hispanic Corridor, and the Mozambican Corridor played a very significant role. The Jurassic period, climate. The Jurassic climate was warmer and more wet than today. There were no ice caps. Salt deposits suggested that an arid belt existed on the western side of Pangaea, and coal deposits suggest areas of high precipitation in the east side. The Jurassic period plant life. The Jurassic period have a lot of plant life. Here goes some of them. 1. Conifers. 2. Cycads. 3. Cycadaeoids. 4. Ginkgophytes. 5. Club mosses. 6. Horsetails. 7. Ferns. The Jurassic period marine life. The oceans, especially the newly formed, shallow interior seas, teemed with diverse and abundant life. At the top of the food chain were the long-necked and paddle-finned plesiosaurs, giant marine crocodiles, sharks, and rays. Fish like ichthyosaurs, squid-like cephalopods, and coil-shelled ammonites were abundant. Coral reefs grew in the warm waters, and sponges, snails, and mollusks flourished. Microscopic, free-floating plankton proliferated, and may have turned parts of the ocean red. Jurassic period, flying animals. Number 1, the first birds, inside the Coelurosauria clade, from the subgroup Maniraptora. Emerged the Archaeopteryx. This animal had feathered wings, and is considered to be the first bird. Number 2, the pterosaurs' first appearance. The Rhamphorhynchoids, Eudimorphodon, and Patinosaurus, are considered the first pterosaurs. The Jurassic period, terrestrial life. There is a lot of dinosaurs that lived during the Jurassic period, with their competitors, the archosaurs, out of the way. They were dominant at this time. Here goes some famous Jurassic dinosaurs. Number 1, Stegosaurus. Number 2, Brachiosaurus. Number 3, Diplodocus. Number 4, Apatosaurus. Number 5, Camarasaurus. Number 6, Allosaurus. Number 7, Heterodontosaurus. Number 8, Ceratosaurus. Number 9, Archaeopteryx. And many others. Observation: Archaeopteryx is considered to be the link between dinosaurs and birds. What do you think Archaeopteryx should be, reptile or bird? Show us your opinion in the commentaries. Everyone will love to know what you have to say. Jurassic period mammals. The Jurassic period had a lot of mammals. Here goes some of them. Number 1, Zophiobatar. Number 2, Comodon. Number 3, Ctenacodon. Number 4, Glirodon. Number 5, Drylestes. Number 6, Fruitifossor. Number 7, Foxraptor. Number 8, Docodon. Number 9, Triaracodon. Including gliding mammals, such as Maepatagium furculiferum and Vilovolodon diplomylos. Jurassic period amphibians. The Jurassic period had the presence of many amphibians, like frogs and salamanders, for example. Here goes some Jurassic amphibians. Number 1, Prosilurus bitus. Number 2, Eocecilia micropodia. Number 3, Chunarpeton tianiensis. Number 4, Jeholotryton paradoxus. Observation: one creature named Ichthyostegostentia A, from late Devonian period, is considered to be the earliest well-known amphibian. They evolved from sarcopterygian fish, with lungs and bony-limbed fins. These characteristics were decisive for dry land adaptation. The Jurassic period insects. This period had the presence of many insects. Here goes some species. Number 1, Cresmata obscura. Number 2, Isophilobia aspacea. Number 3, Pseudopulex wangi. Number 4, Stenophlobia latreyi. Insects emerged in Devonian period, but the order Lepidoptera, composed by the butterflies and moths, emerged in the Jurassic period. Other insect groups that appeared in the Jurassic period include the snakeflies from the order Rhaphidioptera and the mantidflies in the family Mantispidae. Important information. Crustaceans, just like arachnids, they are arthropods and had appeared many millions of years before the Jurassic period, but it was only in the Jurassic period that the first crabs and shrimps would appear. The Triassic-Jurassic extinction event, also known as the end-Triassic extinction. This event exterminated about 76% of all marine and terrestrial species, and is one of the largest extinction events of the history. The more acceptable cause is the volcanic eruptions in the Central Atlantic magmatic province. A high amount of carbon dioxide had induced profound global warming and ocean acidification. The Jurassic-Cretaceous transition. The Jurassic-Cretaceous boundary system is the only one that is not completely clear. Putting in a way easier to understand, the division between Jurassic and Cretaceous periods are not well defined yet. The lack of global index fossils, global index layers, biological, chemical, or physical markers suitable for identification of the Jurassic-Cretaceous boundary makes this question become a deadlock among experts. Did you realize how many important things happened in the Jurassic period? This period is undoubtedly a fundamental piece in the puzzle of the history of our planet. That's why it became the subject of great successes in movies and the world media. Tell us in the comments what you think, what you agree, and what you don't agree with the researchers about the Jurassic period. We will love to hear it from you. If you are watching the video until now, don't forget to watch more videos. The Dinopedia channel is full of content about prehistoric creatures, facts, and events. And also, don't forget to like it and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.